time, the word tolled like the bells of a church. Fani was doing time. In 6 months' time, our baby would be here. Somewhere in time, Fani and I had met. Somewhere in time, we had loved. Somewhere no longer in time, but now, totally, at time's mercy, we loved. Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy So today I'm going to be doing If Beale Street Could Talk by James Baldwin. So guys, you've seen the trailer everywhere. The movie's supposed to come out, I believe, December 14th. So I am all for it and I'm excited to see Regina King in action. But I wanted to read the story first. I wanted to get my, interpretation of what he's written before I see someone else's vision on the screen. So this is a story that is about a young couple. They met as kids till they blossomed into this romance, and they were struggling, but they had each other and everything was great until something horrible happened where their life was turned upside down. We have a woman who is now 3 months pregnant and a man who's accused of a crime. But you don't know what the crime is, because in this story you are learning about him as a character, their relationship and their childhood. So eventually when you get to know why he was in jail, you kind of immediately knew it had to be false. Like, he's no way this character would do that, because you got to know him a little bit more. But then you got to know him after the fact, and you see how he's coping, and you see how bits and pieces of him are changing as time. And time is such a big deal in this story, because time means everything. It is a plus and a minus, and it's sensitive, and it can mold and change people, whether for the good or the bad. And I loved it. The writing, poetic, yes. I'm here for writing like this. James Baldwin is amazing. I am telling you guys, I'm a believer now. I am a believer now. I was very skeptical when I read Giovanni Room, but when I read The Finest Time in this, it was just like, he is that writer that I wish I was. I wish I could think of how, his stories and how creative. He is amazing. Love this book. It's so much about family and sacrifice and love and wanting to hold on to every bit of piece of hope that you could possibly have in a situation that seemed very negative, seems very like you just not gonna make it. And it's just amazing. I read the last 3 pages about 3 times, guys, probably more than that, because I just finished this book about a couple hours ago before I sat down now to record it. And it's just how it ended. That's like the ending was just, to me, perfect. It sums up the book and changing, and how the whole idea of time. I am very much a fan of this, and I am so looking forward to the movie, and I'm hoping that they do the book justice, because this book is amazing. It's really only about 197 pages, so it's no excuse. You can read this, and it reads very nice. It's not a complicated book where you're gonna struggle, because it really sucks you in. And again, the writing is so poetic that you are just gonna immediately love the writing. But yeah, this is a good one, guys. It's a good one, and I'm smiling. And I am definitely going to see the movie when it comes out. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, pick it up, read some James Baldwin. I'm wondering what I should read next, guys. Recommend for my James Baldwin fans. What is the next book I should pick up from him? I have a couple that I own, but I'm pretty sure they're one of the popular ones. But yeah. Yep. Bye, guys.